With our web platform, you can place a special type of orders called conditional orders. These let you build complex trading strategies and manage your investments better through semi-automated trading. A conditional order is a pending order that is attached to an existing confirmed limit stop and only becomes active after the limit stop is executed. Note that conditional orders can't be linked to a limit stop attached to a position, but only to an order initially placed as a limit stop. You can link up to 100 conditional orders to a confirmed limit stop. To place a conditional order, right-click on the limit stop in the Pending Orders window and choose the Conditional Orders option. A left-click on any order marked as conditional will also take you to the Conditional Orders tree. You can also access the Conditional Orders window by right-clicking on any instruments in the Quotes grid or the Positions window, and again choosing the Conditional Orders option. From that window, you can request new or edit existing conditional orders. There you will find a New button and two tabs, Attach to and Base. Use the New button to place a new order, or click on the Attach to button to view all pending orders, limit stop or one cancels the other that have already been placed, but have no conditional orders attached to them yet. The Base or Base Orders tab opens a list of all orders that have conditional orders attached to them. When you attach a conditional order to a confirmed limit stop one cancels the other, it becomes a base order and is moved to the base list.